Hello my dear NSCJS aspirants. Look at here, we have a carboxylic acid treating with methanol in presence of acid catalyst. So this is an acidification reaction. So now where this oxygen O18 which is labeled as 18 will goes during the reaction. Now you can answer this kind of questions only if you know the exact mechanism of the reaction. Look at here, when we add this H plus ion to the carboxylic acid, this oxygen got protonated here, like positive charge here, creating more electrophilic site here. Therefore methanol attacks at this center and generating a tetrahedral intermediate. So where from that water elimination takes place. See, during that case the OH from the carboxylic acid and H from this alcohol will be removed as water. It means the fate of labeled oxygen O18 will be what? Now it will be goes out as a water like H2O18. So this will be your perfect answer for this particular question. So option number D will be your answer during the solving of this question. Hope this is clear. You know, during the acidification of carboxylic acid, so all the steps are reversible in acidic medium. So you can say the reaction follows microscopic reversibility rule. It means forward reaction and backward reaction are having equal amount of rates. Rate of forward and rate of backward is equal in all the steps. So this is called microscopic reversibility rule. Hope the concept is clear and extra discussion is also clear. Thank you for watching.